Welcome back to question number 2, NOV-DEC 2024, paper 2. If the number 5 is added to both the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction, the result is given as 2 on 3. When the number 3 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, meaning of the same fraction, the result is now what? 2 on 5. So we have to find the fraction. We know fractions are in the form a over b or x over y. That is the fraction. So we can't tell what is the numerator or the denominator of this fraction. So we know we can just say let a on b be the fraction we are asked to find, right? And in this fraction, the a is the numerator, that's the top fraction. The b is what? The denominator. So beginning from the first part, if the number 5 is added, how do we add? That is plus. So I can say that this implies that if I have a plus 5, b plus 5, if 5 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction gives a result of what? 2 on 3. So this becomes 2 on 3. So this is what we are saying. So this expression here is the same as 2 on 3. So I can say that a plus 5 is the same as 2. Then b plus 5 is the same as what? 3. But I need to have an equation, so I can multiply by or cross multiply, better still. So let's say if I cross multiply, I can have a times 3. So 3a plus 5 equals to 2b plus what? 5. I guess we can expand from here. That will give us 3a, 3, 5, 15, 2b, 2, 5, 10. But what do we do? Let's group the variables together. So that make it 3a, we subtract 2b from both sides, equals to 10, we subtract 15 from both sides. That gives you 3a minus 2b equals to negative 5. That will give us an equation of its own because a and b are unknown. Then also, if the same fraction, we subtract 3, meaning a minus 3, b minus 3, we are having the result of that fraction to become 2 on what? 5. With the same approach, we cross multiply. If you cross multiply, I should have my 5, a minus 3, 2b minus 3. Fast forward, we expand the bracket. 5 times a, 5a, 5 times 3, 15, 2b, 2, 3, 6. Let's regroup. 5a minus 2b equals to minus 6. This is coming as positive 15. So as you have 5a minus 2b equals to 9, right? Equation 2. Negative 15 plus 15 is more or less 15 minus the 6. And 15 minus 6 will give you 9. So now we have equation 1, equation 2, both of 2 unknown variables. So we solve it simultaneously and see what the a and the b are in what we are saying the fraction will be. So from here, okay, let me rewrite this. I have 3a minus 2b minus 5, 5a minus 2b, 9. Equation 1, equation 2. Since I have the same coefficient of b and the same sign, I perform subtraction. So I have equation 2 minus equation 1. 5a minus 3a give you 2a. This is minus 2b minus 2b will give you 0. equals to 9 minus 5 will be 14. So your A will be 14 divided by 2. Why? We divide both sides by the coefficient. That make our A to be equals to what? 7. Did we get that? Then we put A into any of the equations. So I'll say equation 1. I should be having 3. Let's take care of this. I should be having 3A, right, which is 7, minus 2B, which is going to be equals to minus 5. So I'll be having 3, 7, 21. Let's group like them. Since we are looking for B, let's send it there to become positive. I think we need equals to here. So we send it at the back there to become positive, and negative 5 become positive here. So 21 plus 5, 2B. What do we have here? That will be 26 equals to what? 2B. So we divide both sides by B, by the 2, making 26 divided by 2 equals what? 13. So therefore, the fraction is going to be A, which is 7, divided by B, which is what? 13. So let's see if we add 5 to this. If we add 5 to this, what do we get? We get 12. We add 5 to this. What do we get? You get 18, right? What is the common factor? 6 can go here 2. 6 can go here 3. That's the fraction we have. Then, in the case of the second subtraction, subtract 3 from here. You get 4. You get 10. Common factor will be 2. 2 here, 2. 2 here, 5. You can see. So the fraction they are referring to is 7 on what? 13. I guess you followed through from the beginning. Don't forget to share the video, like, comment, and subscribe.